Hey, hi. This is Manikanda, and today I will be presenting my project, which is CODE3 DAO. And this is basically a coding platform for Web3 developers. So, what is our mission? So, our mission is basically to create a decentralized coding platform using DAO, and we try to incentivize problem solvers and problem setters, and also ease the recruitment process by creating an on-chain resume. What is the problem? So the existing problem is we don't really have a good number of practice questions as well as quality questions for Web3 developers. Now, another problem is presently we see the existing coding platforms hire problem setters, and which is very difficult for them to hire. So, and also users don't really have equal chance to set a problem, and if there are any, they are only checked by the central authority, right? And there is actually lack of incentivization for problem solvers and problem setters. And also another problem is the talent hiring in Web3 is really hard for the companies and the recruiters, right? So this is the existing problems. Now, what is the idea? So the idea is basically we are trying to create a Web3 coding platform can be now created by any user of this platform. Basically, each problem is created as a type of proposal and voted by the members of the community. And those community people who are voting are basically having a minimum problem solving ability, because a decision from a no problem solving ability person is of no use. And if we do something like this, it increases good problems in coding platform, and the problems is accepted or rejected accordingly. And the person who has created this problem will be incentivized accordingly, right? And these NFTs and tokens which you are actually getting, which will be used in the on-chain resume. And this will be actually useful for the recruiters to take the best people from the coding community. So now this is the description, like how it works for the problem setters, and this is the description like how it works for the problem solvers. Now this is the interface, like how it looks. So this will be the this is where we will be coding, and this is how the problems looks, right? So you have like difficulty wise also, and we will even have weekly contests, right? So this is how it looks. So we have bi-weekly, weekly, and we can put many other categories. Now, uh, how many types of NFTs are basically there? Here we basically have three types of NFTs. One is the gold NFT, silver NFT, and bronze NFTs in both the categories, that is in problem solving as well as problem setting, right? So these are the NFTs. Now here the NFTs are basically soul bound. Okay. So why we are using soul bound? Let's see. So here NFTs are soul bound. Soul bound are basically the non-transferable NFTs, because if someone wants to trade those NFTs, then basically they will receive higher NFT without any contribution, which is basically wrong, right? For example, let's take a person has bronze NFT and someone trades gold NFT, then the person will own gold NFT without any hard work. So which actually creates a fake community, right? So that is the use of soul-bound tokens. These are basically non-transferable. And next comes uh, why on-chain resume. On-chain resume is basically used to get to get interview calls, as well as it is easy for the recruiters to shortlist the people, right? And we are actually putting solvent tokens to the on-chain resume. And this actually implies the original work in the coding platform. Now, what's the market size? So, right now for the coding platforms, the market size, the market cap or the estimated revenue is actually like $330 million. And this is the proof here. And next comes the computation. The computation of the total number of users are basically like 15 million for the coding platforms, which is really humongous, right? And the competition, okay. And what about the business model? So here is the business model. So we have the subscription based model for the problem solvers and recruiters. So the subscription based model is basically you're providing additional resources to the problem solvers and recruiters. And next comes the final one, that is the financial estimation, right? If we actually have like 0.1 million people who are going to buy subscription based model, the minimum revenue could be like $10 million by 2026. And we can actually extend this platform to not only to Web3 developers, but also to software engineers, data engineers, cloud engineers, and other professions, right? To increase the subscription based model. And that's all from my side. And this is a project which is solely being created by me. And I hope so everyone likes this project. And thank you.